And these are the parents of the chicks I'm about to show you. You've got the mum on the right and the dad on the left, and they're really good parents. And these are the chicks. As you can see, you've got a couple of weeks old ones, all looking after that little one there in the middle, only a couple of days old, really cute. They're doing really well. The mum and dad are feeding them really well. As you can see, the older ones aren't blind anymore, which they are until they're about 2 weeks old. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? It sounds like the cockatiel's having a bit of a fight back there. As you can see, they're obviously not the prettiest things in the world, but I personally think they're quite cute. Obviously, a lot of people disagree.